Are you looking for the best plastic gazebos? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best plastic gazebos on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VEVOR 10 by 10 foot Pop-Up Canopy Tent. The VEVOR Pop-Up Canopy is designed for convenience and versatility. Its spacious 10 by 10 foot structure can comfortably accommodate 8 to 10 people, making it perfect for gatherings or storing outdoor items. With 3 adjustable height settings and a maximum height of over 9 feet, you can customize it to suit your needs. The durable all-season fabric provides excellent UV protection and is flame retardant, ensuring safety in various weather conditions. Built-in sidewalls create a cozy greenhouse effect, allowing you to enjoy outdoor activities year-round while staying protected from the elements. What we like: spacious 10 by 10 foot design, UV protection and flame retardant, easy setup and adjustable height, built-in sidewalls for warmth. Number 2. LVAOSTT 12 foot Garden Dome Tent. The LVAOSTT Garden Dome offers a spacious 12 foot diameter, perfect for hosting gatherings or relaxing outdoors with friends and family. Its durable construction features a lightweight ABS plastic frame and thick PVC material, ensuring it withstands various weather conditions while keeping you cozy inside. The tent is designed to endure strong winds and heavy snow, so you can enjoy your time outside without worry. With 360 degrees panoramic views, you can soak in your surroundings or stargaze at night, creating a unique and enjoyable outdoor experience. What we like: spacious interior for gatherings, durable, weather-resistant materials, stable and strong winds and snow, 360 degrees panoramic views. Number 3. Cool Spot 11 by 11 Pop-Up Instant Gazebo Tent. The Cool Spot 11 by 11 Pop-Up Instant Gazebo Tent with mosquito netting outdoor canopy shelter is a portable and easy-to-set-up solution for sun coverage. Its vented top and extended cornice structure provide extra shade, while the 150D Oxford fabric top with UPF 50+ UV sun protection blocks harmful UV rays. With zippered mesh sidewalls, you can enjoy the outdoors while being shielded from the sun, rain, and flying insects. This gazebo tent is made of sturdy, high-grade engineered steel and comes with a carrying bag, making it easy to transport. What we like: affordable price. Mosquito netting for bug-free environment. Provides 121 square feet of shade. Easy to assemble. Responsive customer support. Number 4. Garden Dome Igloo Bubble Tent by LVAOSTT. The LVAOSTT Garden Dome Tent offers a unique outdoor experience with its durable construction and transparent PVC cover, providing a stunning 360 degrees view. You can enjoy warmth and protection from the elements while relaxing with family and friends. With a spacious interior, it comfortably accommodates 6 to 8 adults, making it perfect for gatherings or as a greenhouse for your plants. The tent's weather-resistant design ensures stability, even in windy conditions, allowing you to enjoy year-round outdoor fun without worry. What we like: durable construction, spacious interior, weather-resistant design, 360 degrees view. Number 5. ABCCANOPY 11 by 11 Pop-Up Gazebo. The ABCCANOPY Pop-Up Gazebo is designed for hassle-free setup, allowing you to quickly create a shaded area with just one person. Its spacious 11 foot by 11 foot top provides ample coverage, making it perfect for gatherings of 6 to 12 people. The upgraded roof features a durable, tear-resistant fabric that offers excellent UV protection while preventing water pooling during rain. Additionally, the gazebo comes with essential accessories like netting ropes and stakes, ensuring stability and safety, especially on breezy days. Enjoy comfort and convenience for outdoor events with this versatile gazebo. What we like: easy one-person setup, spacious for large gatherings, strong UV protection, includes stability accessories,